Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you the results of our development, Japanese to English dash conversion of Toyota Crown Hybrid. We have identified over 140 Japanese words and phrases in settings and numerous notification and warning messages. All menus, notifications, and warning messages in its sophisticated color instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. Warning messages would usually pop up during engine running, and most important ones will appear when car is moving. Warning messages are related to various car systems and their abnormal conditions, malfunction, or failure. Ignoring those and not taking immediate action could potentially lead towards expensive repairs. After conversion, Instrument Cluster offers selection of various settings in English. Instrument Cluster now displays various statistics like fuel consumption in English. Apart from normal driving conditions, any notifications and warning messages will now pop up in English. Thank you for watching.